talk a little bit about some healthy steps that you have advised people on, solutions of how to break this nonsense.
What you just said touches on so much of what I profess and what I offer to my clients. First thing is you're speaking to mindset. Okay, mindset is key to recovery from anything, and what is recovery? Regaining what is lost or taken from us. So we want to take back our lives. We want to have a relationship with food that is loving, joyous, and free, which is what you're speaking to. And the mindset that you're talking about here really speaks to several issues that come up for me. The first is the mindset of abundance versus the mindset of scarcity. When we're in that restrictive mode, that the thinking that is so informed by diet culture, we're really in a state of scarcity, right? I'm going to eat this bag of cookies because then I'm not going to eat them for 2 weeks. I'm going to go to SoulCycle 5 times this week, to make sure that I get rid of all these cookies, right? But when we're coming from a mindset of abundance, like you're talking about, knowing that you need not deprive yourself, you're coming from a place of gratitude and true love for yourself, right? When we're operating from that mindset of control, we're not operating out of self-love. We might think we are. We might think that we are exercising self-care when we're being restricted, but we can't control what we don't trust. And if we don't trust our bodies, if we don't trust our hunger, if we don't trust those cues that tell us we can stop when we've had enough, that's not self-love. So the first step is mindset. And part of that mindset is understanding that the overeating, the binge eating, the underfeeding, the restricting is not the problem. It started out as a solution. So the first step towards the solution, and I'm not inferring that this is easy because it's a process and it's not linear, but the first step is not only awareness of why you're overeating or undereating, but after awareness has to come curiosity. What are the emotions that I am afraid of processing? What are these comfort foods doing for me? What am I really hungry for?